Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Tuesday, November 21st. And first of all, happy birthday to my middle son Andrew, turns 20 today. And as far as the headlines go, overall it looks like a pretty good weather pattern for driving conditions through the holiday weekend. There could be some areas near the lakeshore that could get some slippery conditions from some snow showers behind the next two systems that'll bring primarily rain to the area, but not a whole lot of moisture is expected from either one of these systems. And then we got a lot of cold air that's poised in Canada that's going to be coming down as we turn the page into December, and I think we're going to get in some real deep winter type conditions here in about a week or so. And if we look at the forecast for today, you can see partly sunny skies and some showers late, and then we'll see some more rain move in for Friday, maybe with a few snow flurries or snow showers again in its wake. But overall, not a lot of precipitation, about a tenth to maybe 2/10 of an inch of precipitation between now and the weekend. And again, no big storms are in sight yet. Lots of 40s and 30s here for the remainder of the week into the weekend before I think we turn a little bit colder with more in the way of 30s. You can see yesterday we had 30s moving out and 40s moving in. Well, today with the cold front coming into the area, we're going to see the 40s go by the wayside, but today won't be too bad, at least early. We expect maybe some falling temperatures in the afternoon as that rain moves in, and then eventually turning over to a few snow showers or maybe a couple of snow flurries. Again, no big deal, and we'll see that air dropping into the 30s as we get into tomorrow. And for Thanksgiving Day, temperatures around 40 on Thanksgiving Day, but we'll also see plenty of sunshine, I believe. If we look at the normals, the climate data for today, our normal high is 43 and the normal low is 28. You can see we've made it up to 70 degrees back on this date in 1934, but we had a very cold -6 in 1906. So far for the month of November, just about a 1 degree below normal per day is what we've got going so far. Yesterday we had a nice warm high of 45, a low of 29 with no precipitation, and you can see we've picked up about 4/10 of an inch of snowfall so far for the season, and again since midnight no precipitation across the area. Temperatures out there this morning, this is actually 41 in Breckenridge right now, but temperatures mainly in the upper 30s to low 40s, so not a bad morning out there for this late November. And across the state, lots of 30s and 40s, cold spot as you get into the western UP where that cold front has made its passage. As far as snowfall so far for the season, you can see so far for the month of November we picked up 4/10. The normal snowfall for the entire month is only 3 inches, so again we're just getting started with the snowfall season. And if we look at some of that snowfall we got over the weekend, anywhere from a trace to as much as an inch or two fell across the area. This particular area looks like they got about an inch of snow over in Montcalm County near M66. A pretty snowy scene out there over the weekend. On the radar map this morning, you can see the cold front with a wave on it, bringing some of the more steady precipitation. That looks to slide just to our south, and we'll get any precipitation will be with this front. So again, that's why we don't expect a whole lot, and then we'll see maybe a little bit of lake effect and wraparound kick in with that system, bringing some snow showers and snow flurries by late in the day and into tonight. As far as the weather map out there this morning, you can see that low pressure system with this cold front now extending to the southwest, getting ready to move through the state of Michigan. Again, some scattered showers out ahead of it, maybe some wraparound snow flurries and snow showers behind it. And by tomorrow, that front will be way off to the east with waves moving up it, giving some snow and some rain to the eastern seaboard. And again, we'll watch the next system that'll be coming in here on Friday, and that'll eventually drop a cold front into the area. Again, these systems continue to move up in Canada, and the southern stream state of the south, we don't have any phasing going on, so these systems are quite weak and moisture starved for the most part. And again, high pressure dominates the center part of this nation at kind of a split zonal flow somewhat, with a little bit more of a northwest tilt here into our area, keeping our conditions kind of near normal. As far as precipitation, again, this will be the 5-day outlook. It takes us through 7 p.m. Saturday. Again, mainly a tenth to maybe 2/10 of an inch over much of the area, less as you get to the southwest, and a little bit more as you head towards the eastern UP. But again, no big storms are in sight. Forecast for today, again, some rain showers, maybe ending as a few snow showers or flurries. Highs in the mid-40s. They should fall later on this afternoon, down into the mid-20s tonight. And then I think we'll have temperatures holding fairly steady in the upper 30s to around 40 the next couple of days. Right now, Thanksgiving looks pretty good with lots of sunshine, highs around 40, and then more rain moves in for the day on Friday, ends with some snow showers, and then we drop down cooler conditions by Saturday. Highs only around 30 degrees, and we may see temperatures fall as well in the day. We'll have a high of 44, but we'll see temperatures fall during the day, again with a 30% chance of a leftover snow shower early in the morning. As far as weather watch this morning, again, wind advisories across much of the areas from the eastern Dakotas into northern Iowa and parts of Minnesota. But again, not a whole lot going on. Some wind advisories into the Keweenaw Peninsula as well. But again, no big storms on the scene. We don't really see any anytime soon. But I think in about a week or so, things might get a little bit more interesting as far as looking at potential storms and cold air. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day. And 73s to all.